Hi, I am Erik De Haan. I'm passionate about executive coaching. I really enjoy coaching others and I enjoy being coached. I think coaching is fun, but I do have regular doubts about its value and if I'm being helpful at all. My fascination and questions have led to 3 programs of research. One about the client, one about the coaching relationship, and one about the coach. Let's look at the third one of these. I saw many managers and consultants really benefit from coaching. Client satisfaction tends to be very high afterwards, but I was also interested in effectiveness, whether we can demonstrate change beyond just satisfaction, beyond just coaching being interesting and insightful. Effectiveness means that we can solve more of our issues, that we can change our approach to work and to our work colleagues who will notice. A lot of research has been done in coaching now. Also in psychotherapy and counseling. And over recent years, that research is getting much better through randomized controlled trials with ever greater target groups. And we see that executive coaching may be about as effective as psychotherapy, which means that the client of coaching can be better off than about 80% of those who don't hire a coach in similar circumstances.